Hey guys, what's up? It's Julian from Planet Warriors channel. Today I have a really nice video for you guys. And this is on the brand new Nerf modulus Strike and Defend upgrade kit. Now, I know it's kind of silly to just be doing this, just one upgrade kit, but, you know, I mean, this is the only upgrade kit I have, so I thought it would be cool to do this. Now I really like these upgrade kits because they just give you a lot of attachments, you know? So I like this one because it had the gun stock, and obviously I need more stocks if you didn't know. Also, it comes with this really cool shield, so I thought that was cool. So let's do unboxing begin. Okay, we're gonna unbox this thing. Here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna, first what I'm gonna do is I'm pretty much just gonna, I don't want to damage the product, so, oh, actually, before I unbox, I'm sorry, here's the front of the box, the new modulus upgrade kit, you know, and it's actually kind of funny because it says End Strike, so I wonder, that's kind of weird, because they, like, I thought Nerf stopped End Strike, stopped the End Strike line, I don't know, whatever. Okay, we're going to open the stock first, since the stock is amazing. Oh my god, I am very bad at unboxing. I'm so sorry. Maybe I can... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I don't really think I'm doing this the right way. How do I do this? Oh, I found it. Okay, here we go. Open this. I wasn't doing it right at all. And then oh, by the way, we're back from the mods. Oh look, the modulus instructions. You can see this here. Looks like it's for the modulus. Shows you where to put the how to use the shield and how to use the stock, and then just instructions on the gun, because the gun is a gun stock, which is really awesome. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, now where is my knife? Okay, knife. Okay, now we're gonna unboxing. Ow! That's not good. I didn't cut off anything. I accidentally just went. Kind of stung. Ouchie. Little. Oh, looks like it actually included 2 modulus darts. That's pretty cool. I can probably do a little. I'm gonna actually open these first. These modulus darts. These seem pretty cool. They are white with orange tips, which is insanely cool. And oh, cool! They actually they're the exact same design as the elite darts, which is cool. So we have these 2 new colored darts, which is very, very nice. Okay, now maybe I can. I'm gonna try unboxing the shield. Maybe that'll work. Because this like stuff that's holding this together is so annoying. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Got one of them. You kind of just need to pull it out. This is gonna hurt. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. We have the shield unboxed. Okay. Hey, look, it's like a flip up. This is so cool. You can. It's like see-through, and it also has a hole. You know, I think this is better than the Stampede shield. It seems more strong. This is a little smaller, but I kind of like it better. Yes, this seems pretty cool. Alright, now I'm going to, like, add all this stuff onto here. These darts are so awesome. I'm going to actually, I'm not going to range test this gun since it's, like 9 at night, so, but I will do a firing test. Okay, now I'm going to try to open this gun, the gun stock. Okay, this is scary. Here we go. God. Okay, and one more opening. Only one more, only one more. Sorry about the background noise. Okay. What? Oh, dang, there's one more. This one seems pretty thin, though, so this one seems easy. Okay, we have the gun stock. This is actually a really big stock. I feel like this is kind of like fragile, you know, like here. So, now you load your module start in here. That's okay. I feel like this module. What the heck? That's cool. There's a tactical rail on top of this thing. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me try mounting. Yeah. I'm gonna have like a full-on war with this. With just this upgrade kit, you can be like, I think this is strike and defend. You can have like your own awesome gun. That's so cool. That's just funny. You can be like, oh yeah, like 15 shots come out of right here total. Okay, so let's talk about this thing. So this is pretty cool. This is hollow there. You might see my little dog in the background. My dog's in a lot of videos. Ouch. Nerf guns kind of hurt the first few shots because they're like so strong on the first few shots. Well, that's kind of annoying. See, look, you can see if you pull it back here and then you go, you can see it kind of like slows down when you, kind of takes a while to go back in. But yeah, really sorry about that background noise. Pretty much just a reshelled jolt. On this, you can't be like pulling to the side because that would just pull straight down like that, and then aim and fire. So that's cool. Seems pretty cool. I've got this thing here, and you load the dart in here. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna need to stop this review soon and like do the putting them on attachments. And then here. So this is actually like what I've seen. I think this is probably, I don't know, in my opinion, I think this is the best upgrade kit. I just really like the strike and defend. So now I'm gonna like put it on attachments and everything. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting these attachments on the Nerf Strife. Now the Nerf Strife is pretty customizable. So let's try putting the stock on here. That's pretty sturdy. It's kind of weird. Wait, hold on. Let me take that back off. Oh, okay. The first time there was like no click. And I like this stock. This is a pretty long stock, I guess you could say. And it's cool because sometimes if you feel any goofy, you can be like, ugh. Wait a minute. Will it actually fire with Strife? Maybe not with the modules, but maybe it will actually fire like this. Oh my god, it actually works. Oh my god, that's so awesome. That's so cool. Well, it's made for like taking off the stock and then poo, but you can actually fire it from here. That's so awesome. Okay, now for the shield. But obviously now when I put on the shield, it'll block the, you're also recording just in case. So, yeah, this is a pretty cool shield. I don't really think I'm going to shoot the gun from like right here, because I just feel like, I don't know. I just feel like the whole point of it is to take it off and shoot. And then put my load and open it down. Okay, now what I'm going to try, I'm going to take off this stock. Since this is a pretty powerful gun, I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to hold this up like that. And I'm just going to shoot this. Oh, I missed. Sorry, you can grab that dirt. These new module starts. Okay. That's my dog. These new module starts are so awesome. Okay, I need to finish this review soon. Let's try this. Okay, it seems like a pretty strong shield. Seems like it's not gonna go down at all. I like the flip up feature. That's really cool. That's really awesome. Okay, so now that's my dog. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay, now I'm going to actually grab 2 normal Nerf darts from here because we just got back from Vermont. So I brought home a Nerf gun. I'm going to take 2 normal elite darts and I'm going to fire them out of here, and I'll also fire the modulus darts. So let's see what happens. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this seems good. So I'll just fire it down to my door down there. It seems far enough. Okay, first we are going to fire the elite darts and see if they work with this. So, you know, loading it in here. And I'm pretty sure they do, because with the, you can see here, if you feel on these, the old end strike darts, those, like, the tip thing that, like, you screwed in, that went all the way down to here. But these are the exact same darts, which is kind of weird, because they say the end strike modulus, which is weird. Why don't they call it the end strike elite modulus? I don't know, whatever. So, it's kind of annoying, that kind of wobbly, but okay. That's pretty cool. Probably not like the best gun ever, but still, it's pretty cool. Okay, that was pretty cool. It's pretty much just a reshelled Jolt. And now with the modulus darts, which is probably going to be a little better, because I think, nope, they're exactly the same thing. Okay, never mind, they are way better. Okay, I gotta shoot these before my dog goes over and gets them in my mouth. Oh, no, Rudy, nope, no, Rudy. Okay, I think she's gone. Okay, so I kind of like this. This is pretty cool. And I like how they put a tactical rail on the top. This is probably going to be my new primary stock, which is pretty cool. So, yeah. So, I'm going to end the video on my dog.